Hi everyone, I know that there is a lot of back and forth between what you do in this Brightspace area of the course and what you do in the MindEdge portion of the course. So I wanted to make a quick video to help you see how you will submit your journal entry for week 1, and this is how you'll submit a lot of your other work throughout the term. So while you're working in Module 1, you'll get to assignment 1-6. You'll go through, you'll see, oh, look, I have an assignment here. You'll complete this just as it says, but then you'll notice it says for this assignment, you'll need to submit through your learning environment, okay? So you will use either your MindEdge notebook, which you'll find here, and you can type up your answers there, or you can type up your answers in Microsoft Word or a similar word processing program, and you can save your work to your computer, and that's really the easiest way to submit. Okay, so you'll use this space to tell you what to do. You'll answer all these questions in Microsoft Word or something similar. Okay, then when you're done, you're going to come back over here to Brightspace. So you can go back to the learning modules, and you will come down and you'll see Submit Your Assignments. You'll click on that link, and the very first one is 1-6 Journal from Problem to Persuasion. Again, it will tell you more information, but it's not the full assignment, so go ahead and make sure you're reading the full assignment instructions over in MindEdge. Click on this link. Okay, again, it will show you the different details here. Then you'll scroll down to the submissions area. Okay, so you already have the journals saved on your computer somewhere, and you can click Upload. You'll click whichever file it is and open, and it will bring it up. I'm not actually going to submit it. And then once you have done that, you'll be able to click to submit. Okay, now I'm not actually going to submit a file because that will mess things up, but you'll see this is what it will look like. If you attach a file, you can leave comments, but there's no need to unless you just want to. Then you'll click Submit. Okay, and that's all you have to do. So you'll find out all the information about what to do here in MindEdge. You'll complete the work somewhere else, in your word processing document. You'll save it to your computer. Then you'll come over to the Learning Modules area, go to the Submit Your Assignments 1-6 Journal, and you will submit it here. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to reading your journal assignments soon.